Okay, so I know you all fell in love with the last hair mask I showed you. So I'm going to show you one right here with 5 ingredients this time. It's going to involve the melanin and a Destiny's Foundation oil along with some honey, coconut oil, and a banana. And we'll use all that to make this amazing hair mask that you just lock in with a shower cap. So, with that being said, let me show you how to make it. All right, let's get started. So, first things first, you grab your bowl, all right? Then you take the banana. So I'm gonna take the banana, I'll peel it right on down, and I'm gonna use the whole banana because I'm gonna go for the beard and the hair. Boom. Bananaed. Take that. Sorry. Do a little crushing of the banana. Mash it up real nice. Mash it up real nice. Mash, mash, mash. Tastes good. Oh, broke my bowl. All right, so then you take that. Then the honey. A little bit of honey, not too much. That should be good. Then we're going to take the Destiny's Foundation. A little bit of that in there. Then the melanin. I'm going to use an older bottle, the one I've been using myself, but this is like the new fancy label. Shake that up real nice. Ooh. Alright, that's good for that one. And then to end it all off, a little bit of coconut oil. Straight like that. Then stir it all up, mix it all up. Smells good. Perfect. And now to the next part. Okay, so I went and got my beard guard, 2 shower caps, a towel, and a jasmine. That's your intro. Supposed to come over. Yeah, there it is. She's going to be applying it to my hair. So let's get started, shall we? Put my little bum there. No, you're fine.
Hair.
It's dry, yes.
Yes, it's very dry.
Yes. So as you all know, coconut oil is an amazing introducer of vitamins and minerals to the hair. So this whole little concoction here, it should revitalize and help, you know, add moisture. Yeah, it has bananas in it, right?
Oh, cool.
Nice, nice. Yep, yeah, put all over the hair.
Okay.
Yep. Well, you know, you can just like massage it in there however you want to do it, really. It's up to you.
It's just...
So if you don't have a helper, you should get one because this makes it so much easier.
Yes, it does.
It does. Can we hold that?
Right.
Boom. See, now I'm helping the helper. It's awesome. Gross. So, I mean, it's edible, so it's fine. So you just gotta work it all in there, you know? Down to the roots, of course. It's like the best part. Because once it gets down there, you know, the Destiny Foundation oil we put in there, and then the melanin gets to make its way all up in there nice and deep.
I hope you made enough.
Me too. Quick side note, the last time I've ever sat like this and someone was messing with my hair, I was like 12. I had long hair, my mom was doing it. You can braid, can't you?
Mm-hmm.
And cornrow?
Mm-hmm.
I might have you do my hair one day.
Okay.
Just for a video demonstration, I'm gonna take it out. Ooh, that'd be cool. Where it's like, you like cornrow, or like 4 big cornrows or 2 big cornrows.
You have enough hair for it.
Right, it'd be so awesome. And then I have like the oil in there and do like an overnight deep condition.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, with like a twist out kind of thing.
Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah, dude twist out. It's a new wave.
Yeah, I just did my little female twist out the other day.
So that's another video coming up. I'm gonna do like a braid twist out thing for my hair for a nice deep condition. You can see how beautiful I am.
Ooh.
What?
Those curls got a snapback.
Right? They're just popping.
Popping all over.
Girls, hella popping.
Ooh, you didn't make enough.
I didn't?
No.
I mean, it'll be enough for the hair. I hit the beard up later. Oh, I dropped my beard guard. Come on, bite. This is a pear.
That's gonna get ready. Whoa.
I feel like a little kid.
Ooh.
What's that face for?
It's everywhere. It's
Not-
popping back. I'm telling you, you got
can-
that snapback.
I can see your face.
You can see my face.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, your hair's growing a whole lot.
You know, I've been moisturizing it. Doing a lock method, keeping it nice and fleeky.
Lock method?
Liquid oil cream. But I one up it, so I do liquid oil cream comb, and then ostrich. Ostrich is essentially like sleeping in like a satin pillow and stuff like that. Yeah. Then what I do for like videos like this, just let my hair just be gross for like a day. I don't like moisturize or nothing. Oh, that wasn't pear. That was the banana stuff.
See? It's snapping back everywhere. Okay. Make sure you use all of it. Empty? Okay.
Empty?
Oh.
Yay.
Yay.
What?
Banana's dripping.
I know I got banana on my shorts and everything.
Well, I'm glad you knew it was going to be messy.
Oh yeah, so I got the shag rug. Old school 70s style.
Okay.
Just so relaxing.
Give it a nice little head massage. Massage it all in.
So scalp massages are a great way to promote hair growth. And just relieve a lot of stress, folks. Just relieve a lot of stress.
Ooh, I'm gonna fall. Okay. Shower cap.
Shower cap.
Where's this?
Dollar store. I got another one. What?
It's so tiny.
I got two.
You have to edit that out.
No way. It's gonna be-
Oh,
it fits.
it does. Slide this back. Okay, this is good go. Yes. Oh, it surfaces. Come on.
Yay.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah.
You good?
Woo. Yes. Got a little banana here.
All right. So now we're gonna let it sit in for a little bit. Fast forward. Okay, so now it's pretty dry, I'm sure now. I feel like I look really stupid. Do I look stupid? What was that? Oh, wow. Okay, I guess I do look stupid. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wash this all out. Just rinse it out, no soap or anything, and then let you all see how that goes. Look at this. Just wanted you all to see that. It's like banana-y. Okay, so I need to actually take a shower because this banana's in there deep. So, what? Something funny? Something funny?
You said, get it to the roots, so I did what you asked.
You did a great job. She did a wonderful job, folks. Let's give her a round of applause.
Yay. Yay.
All right, so I gotta go take a shower. So I'll be back and run upstairs real quick and then get this stuff out. So, okay, so that took a little longer than expected. There's a lot of banana in there. But my hair does feel amazingly soft and vibrant. So I would like you to try this hair mask out. Let me know what you think. Fellas, I know I didn't get a chance to get to the beard. I ran out of bananas. Then I ended up eating the other banana. But it's okay, we'll figure it all out together. So we're gonna do another video with just like the beard. But it's gonna be a different hair mask though. That one's gonna be like a bentonite clay hair mask. I'm gonna show on that one. But for this video, for this one right now, this banana hair mask, we're done. We're completed, we finished this one, and my hair feels fantastic. So give it a shot, let me know what you think, and comment below if you liked it or not. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family, especially your mom, because I know your mom wants to see me. So make sure you do that. Thanks.